Valentine's Day is coming up and we're hoping that this video will help you, ladies and gentlemen, find the perfect tech gift for your loved ones.
But hey, how are you supposed to know what us girls want?
Well, that's why you're gonna be handling the ladies and I'll take care of the boys. Ladies first.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Now, let's start with our tech gifts under 10K. If your girl is into makeup, get her a really good ring light. You can get one at Henry's for 9,500 pesos, or if you want a cheaper one, you can get at Gladking for 7,500 pesos. Next, kung gamer yung girlfriend mo, you can get her a Razer Kraken gaming headphones in Quartz Pink for 6,299 pesos. Lastly, for my list under 10,000 pesos is the JBL Pulse 3. For those couple na mahilig mag-beach and who loves music, it will cost you at 9,899 at Lazada. Right, Miguel?
Yeah, sure, whatever. Hey ladies, if your boyfriend's into tech, listen up. The first thing on my list under 10,000 pesos is the SanDisk Extreme 500GB external SSD. And that will set you back around 6,419 pesos. If he's a sucker for blazing fast storage, he's gonna love that one. Next, if your guy just wants to spend some alone time in the corner of the room, get him the Anker Soundcore Space Noise Cancelling Bluetooth headphones for only 7,590 pesos. And finally, if he's an elite gamer, get him the Rakker Elite Gaming Chair by Rakk Gears for only 7,995 pesos. And you know, he'll really appreciate it because he'll be able to do this. Now, if those were kinda over budget, don't fret. We're going down
to our under 5,000 list.
Hey, that was my line.
Walang may pake. Okay guys, I suggest you to get her a Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 so she can capture every moment with you or wherever you go. You can find one at Lazada or any Fujifilm authorized dealer for 3,800 pesos. And again, if gamer yung girlfriend mo and you can't afford the Razer headphones, you can get her a mouse. I suggest you get her the Razer Basilisk, syempre in Quartz Pink for 3,999 pesos. Miguel? Ano?
Wala. So, if you girls want your gym-going boyfriends to keep working really hard in the gym, get them the OnePlus Bullets Wireless and it'll cost you 4,290 pesos. But wait, you think something fishy is going on? Because he always tells you he can't text you because his battery died. Well, get him the Anker Powercore 20,000. It's a 20,100 milliamp hour power bank that will cost you 2,800 pesos. And, well, if his battery still dies even after that, just take it back and slap him on the head with it.
Hoy, Miguel! Now, for under 2,500, us girls need to charge every now and then too. But we don't like carrying heavy things in our small bags. So, I recommend you to get her the Anker Powercore 5000. Or if your girlfriend has iPhone 8, iPhone 10, Huawei Mate 20 Pro, or Galaxy Note 9, or any phone supports wireless charging, I recommend you to get her the Anker PowerPort Wireless 10 Pad for 2,395. Hoy!
Huh? I thought you threw this pillow at me for nappy time. Okay, so for under 2,500 pesos, you have an old dumb TV?
Anong dumb TV?
Well, malamang yung hindi smart TV. Duh. But you need that Netflix and chill? Get him a Chromecast and chill with your man. I recommend the version 2 because the third generation really didn't make much of a difference and yeah, that will cost you 2,499 pesos. But if Netflix isn't your thing, what about Spotify and chill? Take a look at the Kingone Noblecrown A8. It's a HiFi Bluetooth speaker that doubles down as a power bank and will cost you 1,195 pesos. Now let's jump down to under 1,000 pesos. And remember, it's not about how expensive the gift is. You know what they say, it's the thought that counts.
Well, how about something personal, like this rechargeable LED light mirror from Gladking for 800 pesos? Or what about a rechargeable moon lamp for 749 pesos?
Ladies on a tight budget, listen. For 645 pesos, you can get your man the Xiaomi City Sling bag to keep his favorite gaming peripherals in. Or, if he loves RGB, then he'll love this Rakk Walna 2 RGB Mousepad for only 895 pesos. So that's a wrap on our 2019 Valentine's Day Tech Gift Guide. We hope this video helped you find something special for him.
And for her. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads.
And visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews.
This has been AJ.
And Miguel. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye!